on YouTube? It's your girl Shantelle Lace coming at you with another video. And yes, it's been a minute. I'm so sorry. But this video, we are going to be going into my Boxycharm boxes. I have 2 of them right here. So we will be opening these bad boys and seeing what I got inside. And I will be letting you guys know why I have not been filming. So if you want to see what was in my... So if you want to see what's in my Boxycharm boxes, stay tuned. Welcome back, and thank you for staying tuned. First off, let me start off and say I am so sorry that I have not been filming and uploading. It has been a minute. At first, I was sick, and then I was able to film a couple videos, and then, oh my God, you will not believe I was having like really, really bad allergies around that time, and my eye was just swollen shut. And then once I got that all together, the next eye was swollen shut, and I was just like, oh my God. Then I just needed a break. Like, I was just so stressed out and tired. Like, why do I keep getting sick? What's going on with my eyes? But now I'm all good, and I'm ready to like just start back filming and coming back to you guys because we are family, and I missed you guys, and I hope you guys missed me too. I'm fresh faced today, no makeup on at all. I got some new products from Tasha, and I'm trying them out, and so far I'm liking how it looks. So yeah, so we'll see. But yes, since I have not been filming, I have 2 Boxycharm boxes, one right here and another right here. This one is June and this one is July. So we're gonna open June first and see what I got, and that lets you know how sick I've been. I haven't opened any of my boxes, so I have all my Boxycharm boxes still. My Beauty, I have 2 of those. And my Ipsy bags, I have about 2 or 3 of those. So, yeah. I've just been down and out, but I am back in business, you guys. So, let's get this open. Okay, I believe this one is my June one, the bigger box, because the date says June 8th. Okay, and I just got this box, my littler box, in the mail the other day. So let's open her up and see what's inside. Okay, I cut her already. And here we go. We have a little pink insert. It says Boxycharm Getaway. It tells you everything that, you know, comes in here, which I don't really read those. And then these are all the items that you get inside the box. So Boxycharm is a monthly subscription, if you do not already know, where you pay $21 a month and you get, I think it's 4 to 5 full-size products. So let's see what I have here. First up, I have the No Problem Prime Essence by Touch of Soul. So this is her right here. So I did get the No Problem Primer, which I liked a lot. Prime Essence. And this is a flower extract. Let's see what it smells like. Ugh. If I can open her up, huh? Let's see. I'm just going to put some on my arm. It's really cute. And she smells really good. Ooh, I like that. She smells really good, feels really soft, a nice little oil base or whatnot. Let's see what the card says about her, because I'm not too sure. Is this a primer or not? Okay, so it says, let your makeup stay away with your new... It says, let your makeup stay a while with your new Touch and Soul No Problem Primer Essence infused with calendula, I can't say that, flower extract. This primer tightens up your pores, keeping your skin silky smooth. And it did feel silky smooth. So this is a primer. It's very different because it's like liquidy, so I wasn't sure. And she does have a scent, you guys. So yeah, this is pretty nice. I don't mind trying this out and seeing how she does. She feels really good on my arm right now. She feels silky. She doesn't have as much slip as I like my primers to have, but I love the first primer that I tried from this line. So I'm excited to try this one out. So next up we have, this is by Skin and Company, is the Whipped Cleansing Cream. Whipped Polishing Cream, Cleansing Cream with Truffle Extract. Alright, so I like cleansers. I am trying out the Tatcha right now. Oh, it's sealed. So I'm not going to open this just yet, but I can't wait to try this and see how it does, because it's supposed to be whipped. So I want to see what the texture is like. Oh, let's just open her up. I said I wasn't going to open her, huh? Oh, she is whipped for sure. Looks like a little lotion. And she just smells like a cleanser, nothing like crazy. So yeah, it just smells like a cleanser or anything like, just smells like a cleanser. Nothing too powdery or nothing, just smells like a cleanser. But I'm definitely excited to try this out and see how she does on my face. Right now I'm gonna be using the Tatcha products for probably a good week or two and see how it does, and then maybe I'll jump into this and see what she does. Does she really take off my makeup? Just give her a try and go to. Okay, so next is from Dominique Cosmetics. I'm not sure what it is because it just says Dominique Cosmetics. Comes in a box like this. So let's see. It says peach tea on the top. So, oh, super pretty. Oh, look at that. It's like a gloss. It is a gloss. That is pretty, you guys. I love the packaging and the little tip. And it's, yeah. So let's see how she does. Definitely got to top this off with something, but nice. Very nice. And it says lemonade on there, so maybe it's peach tea lemonade. I don't know. Yeah, peach tea. And yeah, this is cute. Dominique Cosmetics. Okay, so next up, it looks like I have 3 masks by the same company. So far we've seen 3 products. So this will be my 4th product, which actually is 4, 5, 6. Okay. So this is by Wander, and it's a sheet mask and maca berry antioxidant, an intensive sheet mask that works to correct pigmentation, boost radiance, and deeply hydrate for a brighter, even tone complexion. Well, I know what I will be using this week is one of these, because you guys know I love anything about hyperpigmentation, brightening, but this is the package and it's a sheet mask. So I'm excited to try these out, and I think it's only 1 mask in here, because sometimes it's only 1 and sometimes there could be 2, you never know. But I believe it's just 1. That's probably why they gave me like a 3-pack or something. So I'm excited to try this out, you guys. And last but not least, we have the Tarte High Performance Natural Pro Glow No. 3 Cheek Palette. This is nice. I don't think I own too many products from Tarte, actually. So I'm excited about this. Oh, she is very cute. Okay, for one, you already know I love purple. So that was cute. But look at this case, you guys. How cute is that? She looks like she opens up like a book. And she does. Oh my God, let me open her. Oh my God, isn't that beautiful? The card fell out. It's got 2 mirrors on the side, which, you know, I don't want to blind you guys. And she opens up like that. That is just so cute. These are some really pretty colors. Oops, my nail dug into one. Ooh, I can fold the mirrors over. Great. Look at those pretty colors. My nail hit 1. Yeah, I'm excited about oh my gosh, I was so happy with this. And all the products that I got in my June box. I'm excited about July. Like, oh my God, I cannot believe what was in that box. So let's see what is in July's box. So I have this little card right here, and it says all natural. Oh, I might be liking this because I am a natural girl. I like doing natural makeup, you know, little purple and mauve colors here and there, and pink. Okay, so first off, I see it says Luxie Guerra. So we have a large eye blending brush, a precision crease brush. So this is the blending brush, precision crease brush, and a foundation brush. And they're pretty. They're like a pink wood. It's super cute. So I can't wait to try these out. They're really soft and see how they do. Next up we have by Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. Ooh, and I just had a facial today though. Alright. Nourishing Prebiotic Green Mask. Advanced Skincare. Ooh. It says, this is her. And it says, feed the skin with this versatile super green mask formulated with avocado and broccoli seed oils rich in omega fatty acids to help support the skin's moisture barrier. Vitamin C and passion fruit acids help brighten for a fresh looking complexion. Ooh, nice. I can't wait to try this and see what she does, because that vitamin C got me right there, because I know vitamin C does brighten and help with hyperpigmentation. So maybe using this and the mask together. Okay. So next up, we got Cleansing Spa Water. These look like they are just wipes, makeup remover wipes. Yep. These are makeup remover wipes. It says contains natural herbal essences. Using Zumu, natural spa water, oil-free, and mildly acidic. Okay, so let's, see if it's going to take all my makeup off. It says oil-free, and I kind of like oil-based makeup removers. And I do like makeup wipes too, but I kind of like using an oil wash or a balm of that type. Alright, so next up, I have and this is by Luna, which I'm not sure what it is yet until I open it up, but it's by Luna. And on the top of it, it says Venus. So I'm thinking it's a lip gloss. Okay. It is a lip gloss by Luna. It's a pretty gloss. This is the Dofa on her. So let's see, because I already put that other one on. Ooh, that's pretty. Let me swatch that better for you guys. That is really pretty. I think I should put this on top of that pink. I don't care. Yeah, this is me. This is more my tone, and it has a little sparkles in it. But that is definitely my shade. Alright, so I like this by Luna. And it got cute little stars on the bottle. Super cute. And then next up, well, last but not least, I have the Butter London. This is by Butter London, and I believe it's a palette. Look. Yeah. Ooh. Pretty. Oh my God. This is beautiful. We got to swatch, you guys. Look how beautiful this palette is in those colors. Oh my God. This little teal color. Oh, and this green. Oh my God. And it comes with a little mirror, which, oh, she's a decent size, and she's not funny, y'all. You know how some mirrors and palettes be a little, but this one is decent. Definitely just focus right on the eyes. I would love to use this palette, this mirror while doing my makeup. But we're going to swatch. So we're going to swatch. We're going to start with Enchanted and then Queen. So we have Enchanted. Okay. Then we have Queen. And we're going to have Star. So let's see. So we have Enchanted right here. Oh my God, look at that. That is beautiful. And then we have Queen, which we're going to put right here. Look, oh my god, that is even prettier. This is like definitely my skin tone shimmer every day. And this is like, let's add this on top, you know, going out at night. Just to add like va va boom. And then we have Star, which is that pretty green color. And put her right here. Oh my god, look at that. Look at that. That is beautiful. All right, so now let's get my fingers all nice and clean, and we're going to do Diva, which is this goldy color right here, then Temperance, which is this nice chocolate brown, and Feminine Fatale. I like that name. Feminine Fatale. So this is Diva. Put her right here. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. It's very nice. She's like really more bronzy, orangey. Just beautiful. Then we're going to have Temptress, which is that nice chocolate brown. Oh yeah, that is great to smoke out. Any of these colors right here, great. And then we have, last but not least, Feminine Fatale, which is that turquoise green. I'm gonna put her right there. Look at that. Just beautiful. Oh my gosh. Like, I am in love with this palette, you guys. Like, this is cute. And she's small. Like, she's long, but, you know, it's not like super chunky, overbearing. It has great colors in here for whatever type of look you're trying to do every day. If you want to pop up little pink, a pop of green, and a pop of turquoise, and, you know, the go-to champagne kind of gold and just like a bronzy gold. It's all in here. So like if I was traveling, these will definitely match bathing suits that I own. So yes, this is definitely, if I'm traveling. And then look at the packaging with the little flowers and stuff. It just makes you want to go travel and go on vacation. Super pretty. So I love this. I really liked everything that I got in both of my boxes. So I'm really excited about that. I hope that you guys like this video, because that's all I have for you guys today. I will be uploading more videos, and I will be staying consistent like I was before in the beginning. I have so much stuff here like that I have been receiving over the past 2 months that I have not been filming on that. So there is definitely a lot of content that's going to be coming, and I do apologize that I have not filmed and I have not been giving you guys all the beautiful content that you guys been wanting. But yes, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. But until next time, stay fly and shine.